Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a macro in Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To create and use macros, you can go to Play Store and search for an app named Automate, which has this icon. Click on install, and I'm gonna get you through an example process of setting up a automation. Click on accept, and now click on plus, and it will work the same way as algorithms. So you should know the basics of algorithms if you want to create more advanced algorithms, but I'm sure you'll figure it out if it's a simple algorithm. So this is the flow beginning, so it's a start tile, and from this one, this is the start of the program, and we are gonna make a connection to another tile, which is gonna do something. So to add a tile, click on plus, and now you have different options. I'm gonna check what's the battery level of my battery. So let's go to battery and power and click on battery level. Then you can see that it's a decision block. So it can give me two outputs, when no and when yes. So let's click on it, and here you have different options. I'm gonna set it to when changed, so so the action is gonna be proceeded when the battery level changes, and here is minimum level and maximum level. I'm gonna set it to from 0 to 20. And you can see that my current value is 100. Let's click save, and now you can see that it says when battery level from 0 to 20. I need to connect it from the start tile to this one, and now I can choose what to do when yes and what to do when no. For yes, I'm gonna try displaying a message on the screen. I can use show a message dialog. I can connect it and click on it. Now give it a title, let's say battery, and let's add a message. Now you can add more options. You can set what's gonna be displayed on the dismiss button, and add more options, then click on save, and this is my message. And let's set the brightness of the screen when this battery level is below 20, and to do it, go to brightness, screen brightness set. So it's gonna set a brightness because this option is gonna read what brightness is currently set. So I'm gonna choose this option and set it to 40%. You can add more, and screen brightness might not work, so you'll need to test it out. Let's click on save and connect it to the previous block. When it goes with the algorithm like that, it will stop the algorithm after OK, and just go back to the flow beginning, and it's gonna work in a loop all the time, checking if the battery level is from 0 to 20. Then if you wanna set it to no, I'm gonna just set the brightness to auto. So to set auto brightness, just connect it and set it to automatic save. And now your algorithm is created. You can go back, then click on start, and now you need to grant permissions. Click on grant, then allow, then grant, allow permission, and go back, then grant, okay. And now in this case you need to disable remove permissions if app is unused. Go back, then grant, allow. And now you can see that when it says in the logs that flow beginning is done, then your flow is on. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.